Wrestlemania 35 match card and results. Buddy Murphy versus Tony Nese for the Cruiserweight Champion. The winner of this match and the new Cruiserweight Champion was Tony Nese. Second ever Women's Battle Royal. This match included Asuka, Ruby Riott, Mandy Rose, Sarah Logan, Naomi, Lana, Liv Morgan, Mickie James, Nikki Cross, Sonya Deville, Zelina Vega, Dana Brooke, and Carmelo. The winner of this match was Carmelo. The Revival versus Kurt Hawkins and Zack Ryder for the Raw Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match and the new Raw Tag Team Champions, Kurt Hawkins and Zack Ryder. The sixth ever Andre the Giant Memorial Battle Royal. The winner of this match, Braun Strowman, last eliminated Michael Shea from Saturday Night Live. Brock Lesnar versus Seth Rollins for the Universal Champion. The winner of this match and the new Universal Champion, Seth Rollins. AJ Styles versus Randy Orton. The winner of this match was AJ Styles. Aleister Black and Ricochet versus the Usos versus The Bar versus Shinsuke Nakamura and Rusev for SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match retaining the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, the Usos. Shane McMahon versus The Miz. The winner of this match was Shane McMahon. Nia Jax and Tamina versus Bayley and Sasha Banks versus Billie Kay and Peyton Royce versus Beth Phoenix and Natalya for the Women's Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match and the new Women's Tag Team Champions, the Iconics, Billie Kay and Peyton Royce. Daniel Bryan versus Kofi Kingston for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match and the new WWE Champion, Kofi Kingston. Samoa Joe versus Rey Mysterio for the United States Champion. The winner of this match and still the United States Champion, Samoa Joe. Roman Reigns versus Drew McIntyre. The winner of this match was Roman Reigns. Triple H versus Batista. If Triple H loses, he must retire. The winner of this match was Triple H. Kurt Angle versus Baron Corbin in Kurt Angle's farewell match. The winner of this match was Baron Corbin. Bobby Lashley versus Demon Finn Balor for the Intercontinental Champion. The winner of this match and the new Intercontinental Champion was Demon Finn Balor. Becky Lynch versus Ronda Rousey versus Charlotte Flair in a women's triple threat winner takes all match. The winner of this match and the new Raw Women's Champion and SmackDown Women's Champion was Becky Lynch, making history. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next pay-per-view.